Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who added you on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you just have to go ahead, open up your Snapchat app, then go ahead, tap on this little little chat icon over here. Now from this section you will find various icon on top, as you can see, but you have to tap on this one icon, which is the friend request or add friend icon. Tap on it. Now as soon as you do that, you will find this list of people. You can see added me. Now these people have added you, and if you would like to be mutual or be friends, you can tap on accept and accept that friend request. Then you can go ahead, chat back and forth, and you will be friends to share your snaps. Now if you don't want it, you can simply go ahead and tap on this cross icon and tap on ignore, and that request will be gone. That's basically where you will be able to find your added me listing or the people's. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.